In this video, we're going to be downloading and installing Google's Nearby Share beta for Windows. Nearby Share was launched in 2020 and it's a fast and simple way to share files between Android devices and Chromebooks. I'll leave the link in the description where you can download the file. Once you're on this page, you're going to want to click Get Started with Beta. Here I am using Internet Download Manager to get the files because my internet is poor. Once the file is finished downloading, go ahead and install it. Once the installation is done, you'll be greeted with this page that says sign in or continue without an account. You can choose whichever. Alright, here you are able to customize the name of your PC as well as sending and receiving options. You can choose who can receive files from you and who you can send files to. Alright, here I am demonstrating sending a file from my smartphone to my PC. And again, it works just like it does between two Android devices. I'll be also demonstrating sending a file from my PC. So here you can choose to select the files or you can drag the files over into the box to send it. For Nearby Share to work, your Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi has to be on. Nearby Share operates much like AirDrop for ISO devices. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you did, please leave a like, share this video with a friend, and comment below any questions that you might have. Thanks again for watching. Peace.